If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. When the value of fixed assets decline, that is called depreciation. We will now look at tracking depreciation for fixed assets. There are many ways to track depreciation, and this is just one suggested method. If you are currently tracking your asset depreciation in other ways, you can rest assured that you can continue using your own method. Fixed assets are not for immediate sale, but they do have a value. Since they last a long time, you don't completely charge or expense their purchase price to the year in which you purchased them. Instead, you spread their cost over several years, which is called the asset's useful life. But because fixed assets wear out or become obsolete like computers, their value declines constantly from the day you purchase them. The amount of this decline is called depreciation. When referring to the value of a fixed asset at any point in time, you are referring to its book value. This is determined by subtracting its accumulated depreciation, which is the total amount of depreciation that has occurred since the asset's original purchase date, from its original cost. To create an accumulated depreciation account in Sage 50 Accounting within the Maintain Chart of Accounts window, select Maintain Chart of Accounts from the menu bar. Type an ID number for the accumulated depreciation account you want to create to track the amount of the depreciation for the fixed asset. Give the account a description and make sure it clearly references the fixed asset account for which it tracks the accumulated depreciation. Finally, select Accumulated Depreciation from the Account Type dropdown. To save the account, click the Save button in the Windows toolbar. To enter the depreciation amount for the fixed asset in Sage 50 Accounting, create a general journal entry that consists of 2 rows. In the first row, select your depreciation expense account like depreciation expense. Then enter the amount of depreciation for the fixed asset as a debit to the associated expense, increasing the amount of depreciation expense. In the next row, select the accumulated depreciation account and then enter the amount of asset depreciation to record into the credit column, which decreases its worth. Since this account only exists to track lost worth, it's okay that the balance in these accounts is always negative. When finished, click the Save button in the Windows toolbar to save the transaction. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.